welcome back to my channel. Today we shall write a Python program to check if a character is an alphabet or not. So without any delay, let us jump into our PyCharm. I'm on my PyCharm now. So first, to check if a character is an alphabet or not, let me define a character. Char is equals to input enter the character. Sorry. Now I'll give if char of 1. I want only my first letter to be checked. If I give a string, we all know that Python do not have inbuilt char data type. It considers a single letter string to be a character. So I don't want total my string to be checked. I want only my first character to be checked. Greater than a and char of 0 of index 0 is less than z, or I want to check if it is capital or not. Let me give another parenthesis here, or char of 0. I'll just change it to cap a and cap z. Char of 0 less than z. I'll close my brackets here. Yeah. If statement is completed, I'll give a colon here, and finally I'll print do not forget to give quotation marks here. We must make sure that we must define our strings. Without quotation marks, strings cannot be defined, okay? The given character is a string. Is an alphabet. Now again, else print. The else statement is optional here, but if it is not an alphabet, we want to have some output, right, to check our program has been run or not. Is not an alphabet. Now our program has been completed so far. I'll check. Enter the character. I'll give it to be G. Yeah, our given character is an alphabet. Now I'll rerun my program. This time I'll take a number 3. The given character is not an alphabet. So in this way you can check if a character is an alphabet or not. Here we have taken char of of index 0 because we don't want. I'll show you that also. This time I'll give HS. Yeah, it has taken only H and returned the given char is an alphabet. Okay, that's all. In this way you can check if a character is an alphabet or not. So tomorrow I'll come with another simple program. So to learn Python from basic level, from a beginner level understanding, please subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any doubts, reach me out at the comment section. And if you want any new videos about Python, just comment me. Okay, thank you.